I'm sure you guys have seen these Milwaukee whackouts at the Home Depot. Unlike other influencers, I've gone ahead and acquired one through nefarious means. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. Some propaganda here. Lifetime limited warranty. We're going to test that. In an effort to further rip off Milwaukee, they've included some more propaganda with a poster. Now, this is IP65 rated, dual lock and releasing stacking mechanism, plus it's impact resistant. These gaskets are what makes it IP rated. I'm definitely going to pee on this. Now, one of my favorite features about the build out is the fact that they make these dirt cheap. These are accessories. We'll get into that in a minute. More Milwaukee ripoff. Ah! Well, their packaging's pretty good. I was mistaken. I put a hole in it. These are supposed to be super easy to install. You go ahead and slide it over the hole with the groove. Just like that. $2.50. You can't beat that. Check out this nice tool hook right there. And why settle for one when you can have matching devil horns? Huh! And while it is kind of silly, it does work with the larger tools. Now, it does have these sweet little clips that are guaranteed to hurt your hand if you're not paying attention. Did I break it? So that's actually a lot better than the Milwaukee. That will hurt your hand if you're not paying attention. Complete with gaudy rubber wheels and a kickstand so you can use it as a dolly. I'm definitely going to do that with that. Not bad. Not bad at all. My favorite feature definitely has to be these latches in the back. Now, if you own a Milwaukee Packout, you guys know what a pain in the ass that is. But check that out. Super simple removal. And just like that, it's ready for your truck that you probably lost to your ex. Ugh. So it fits all of this. Sawzall, SDS, nail gun, bunch of other stuff. I probably don't even know what's in there. But it still has room to spare. And it's half the price of the Packout. Come on, Milwaukee.